Waterloo Monument in Belgium is an important historical landmark dedicated to the famous Battle of Waterloo. This monument, located in the city of Waterloo, has great historical and cultural significance. The Waterloo Monument is a tribute to the Battle of 18 June 1815, in which Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated by the combined forces of the Seventh Coalition. The battle was a turning point in European history and eventually led to the final defeat and expulsion of Napoleon. The Waterloo Monument is over 40 meters high. This impressive structure demonstrates the magnificence of architecture and pays tribute to those who fought and died during this historic event. The Waterloo Monument is just one of many attractions in Belgium that attract tourists from all over the world. Its rich historical significance, combined with stunning architecture, makes it a must-see for history lovers.